Hello, Bugs. It's your girl, Disastrous Beauty, coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Yolissa hair. Shout out to you, Yolissa, for sending me this unit. And right here, I'm showing you guys what all came in the packaging. So shout out for the goodies, honey. Okay, so the unit that I am wearing is their 22-inch 1B/27 colored honey blonde body weight 13x4 lace frontal wig. As you guys can see, this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And yeah, y'all, that is basically it. So if you're interested in any more detailed specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Just like the flowers through the concrete, just you and me. Just let go. Just let go. Just let go. Just let go. Just let yourself go. Let yourself go. Let yourself go. You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Just let go. Oh yeah, just let go.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Yolissa. Shout out to you, Yolissa, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. I have worked with this company before, and honey, your girl has had no complaints. So shout out to y'all for collaborating with me again and sponsoring this video. I really, really do appreciate it. Okay, so the details and specs that I have on this unit is It says hair info 22 inches. The color is 1B/27 honey blonde body wave 13x4 lace frontal wig. And yeah, those are basically details that I have on the unit that I am rocking. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on their site to give you guys some more information. Okay, so on their site it says body wave number 27 and ombre lace front wig for black women. For black women, 150% to 200% density. It says hair color 27, or you can get it in 1B27. I do have the 1B27, but it does also come in the number 27. It says lengths available is 8 to 24 inches. The density is 180, 200, 250, and 150% density. So you can get any of those. It just depends on your own personal preference. And it says cap sizes available, medium, small, and large. And as I stated, this wig that I have is a body wave unit. It's Brazilian hair. The lace color is medium brown. And honestly, it didn't look real medium brown to me, which in my personal opinion is a good thing. I personally prefer HD laces, but sometimes I can't tell until I'm out in the sun because my lighting will make everything seem like it's blending in a lot better than it is. But right now, honey, this lace doesn't feel medium brown, because usually medium brown just doesn't blend in with me the way that it would with somebody of a darker complexion. But right now, honey, she's looking pretty good, okay? But it does say medium brown, so that's what I'm gonna go with. And as far as the cap construction, I can't tell how many combs, but I want to say it came with 2 combs in the front. I could be wrong. If you guys watch me, you know, like, I don't really use the combs because I basically always use my bed head to lay down the unit, so I don't use the combs whatsoever. But I want to say it was 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. If I'm wrong and it was 3 combs in the front, then I'll correct that, and you guys have already seen it. But I always show the cap construction of a unit at the beginning of the video, so if I'm wrong, then basically, honey, you already know that I was wrong, okay? So you shouldn't have no issues. I'm gonna just go ahead and say, as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, I don't think that the unit shed. If it did, I didn't notice because I did have to tweeze the hairline. Like, the hairline was a little bit dense in my opinion, so I did tweeze it, and I cannot tell if the extra hair is coming from me tweezing the unit or if the hair was already shedding. If the hair was already shedding, I wouldn't be very much surprised, because with these types of colors, sometimes hair does shed a little bit, like with 613 hair or anything like that. Those units do usually shed. So I'm not 100% sure if the hair was shedding because I tweezed it, or if it was shedding already because of the color. So it did shed some, but it could have just been from me tweezing the hairline. So I'm not 100% sure. Okay, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. But the shedding that I was getting was pretty minimum. So if it was shedding because of the hair, it wasn't a lot whatsoever. But I'm thinking that it was shedding, like I said, just because I did tweeze the unit. And I also cut, like, layered the hair. So I was going to show you guys how much of the hairline I tweezed, but child, it done got mixed in with the hair that I actually cut to layer the unit. So I'm sorry, sis. I'm sorry, but I feel like you basically could see the difference, because if I'm not mistaken, I did show you what the hairline looked prior to me tweezing it. I tweezed it some, but if you know me, I ain't nobody that's gonna spend a whole lot of time tweezing no hair, girl. That is just not she, okay? That is just not your girl. So I tweezed it some, but it wasn't like a whole lot. And I did not tweeze the parting space whatsoever. So the parting space, how it looks, that is basically what you're gonna get. Like, it comes like this. I didn't tweeze the parting space whatsoever. I only tweezed the hairline, and honey, this is what you got, girl. Now, as far as the baby hairs and all that, I'll get more into that in the outro portion of this video. But yeah, honey, this is what she's giving. This is what she's giving. So yeah, as far as tangling, I did not get any tangling whatsoever with this wig. So shout out to you, Yolissa. Okay, honey, shout out to you. Okay. Okay, so if you are interested in a full like length check, I'm gonna do that at the end of the video. Right now, this is where all the hair comes to me in the front. And if you're interested in how long it or where it stops on me in the back, then I will be showing you guys later on in the video when I do a full 360. But if you are interested in my thoughts as well as a full 360 and a length check, then please continue. Okay, so how do I feel about this unit? Honey. Can you not tell, girl? I am feeling this wig, honey. She is a whole look. She's a whole vibe. She is all of the things, honey. She is all of the things in my Brittany Vaughn voice. Honey, if you don't know who Brittany Vaughn is, YouTube her, girl. YouTube her. But she is all of the things. I am definitely feeling this wig. I think she's an entire vibe. I love the colors. Now, honestly, I was a little wary because if you don't know me, I definitely, when it comes to these sort of colors, I prefer them to be 4 and 27 versus them being like a 1B, because sometimes I feel like dark colors just don't go well with light blonde colors. I definitely prefer these type of wigs to have a brown root versus a black root. That's just my own personal opinion. But honey, I ain't mad at old girl, okay? I'm not mad at her with her dark roots or none of that. I feel like she is an entire vibe, girl. I love this wig. I did not do the ball cap method with this wig. I just opted out of it. I just decided to just not wear a wig cap. That is like literally how I decided to fix that problem, because I was like, oh, do I really want to do the ball cap method? No, not really. So what I decided to do was just not wear one. That's how I fixed that. And that is how I got this look, honey. So I am not wearing a wig cap whatsoever with this wig. And I feel like she definitely came through. Like, I love the baby hairs. And yeah, I just like the whole look. I love the whole wig. I don't feel like the knots, like I didn't bleach the knots whatsoever. I just literally used my foundation and then my Sephora Micro Smooth underneath the wig cap, and that's how I achieved this look. And I feel like it looks good. Like, in my personal opinion, I feel like it looks good. So I'm feeling it. It's a vibe to me. Like, let me know if it's a vibe to you. If you would rock her, let me know. And yeah, y'all, that is basically it. Okay, y'all, so this is the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", so this is where it comes to me in the back. And this is it on the right side. If y'all hear some screaming, honey, I promise you nobody is being murdered in my house. That is my son yelling at his game, okay? Nobody is being murdered here. Okay, y'all, so that is basically it. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Yolissa, for sending me this wig. I really do appreciate it. And honey, we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already follow me on my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Health and Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down.